In this video, I am going to show you how you can delete single photo or multiple photos or single video or multiple videos from your iPad very easily. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first, we need to open Photos application. We need to find where is the Photos application. For my case, it is here. So I'm going to tap it over there, and very shortly the Photos application will be opened. And once it is opened, we'll see this table user interface. Left side we'll see a couple of menus, and right side there is the videos or images will be there. If you organized everything like folder, then you will see all the structure will be there. Now to delete any photo or video, we have to access that location. For this case, I'm going to access the library location. But if you want to delete photo or video from other location, like from videos, you can access there, and from here you can also do the same thing. So let's see how we can delete like single photo or video or multiple videos or photos together. So I'm going to tap over the library, and then on the right side we'll see several videos or images are there. To delete any item or multiple item, at first we need to select those things. So for the first time, when we want to delete anything, every time basically we have to choose this option first, select, and once we press the select, then the select button will not be visible anymore. Now we need to choose the item whatever I want to delete. And one more thing, when you press the select button or tap on the select button, you will see like this type of thing is coming, like select items, and there will be a basket like thing. So now I want to delete for like on a video basically. So for example, I want to delete this one. So I just need to tap it over there, and here you will see a small check mark will be there, and here down you will see on video selected. If you want to select multiple item, you can do the same way. You can tap it over there, and here you will see check mark is there, and also two items selected. So in this way we can select one item or multiple item. It doesn't matter whether image or video, everything will be selected like this way. And once it is selected, then what we need to do, we just need to tap the delete button. So I'm going to tap over there, and very shortly it will give us this type of warning message. These items will be deleted from the library. They will be recently deleted for 30 days. So what is the meaning of that? So once you delete these two items, it will be removed from here, from this library, but these two items still be accessible from other location. So if you check carefully on the left side, there is one like folder or like link is there, recently deleted. So if you delete from here, it will be over there once it is finished deletion from this location, and it will be there for 30 minutes, not 30 minutes, 30 days. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press this delete two item, and then very shortly you will see these two items are gone. It's not there anymore, but these will be still available for next 30 days. But to delete those things permanently, what you need to do, you just need to tap it over there, recently deleted, and very shortly it will bring like this type of user interface. So here you will see like enter your passcode to view this album. That means once anything is deleted, then to access those things we just need to tap the password to check the album. So I'm going to tap it over here, view album, and very shortly it will ask us to put the passcode or password or face ID. It will scan, and if we press the correct passcode or password, then it can only be accessed. And I just typed my password. So after the successful passcode, I see these three items are there, and here it is showing like how many days it will be there. I just deleted today, that's why it is showing another 29 days remaining. After that it will be deleted automatically. Now I'm going to remove those things or delete those things permanently. So again we need to choose the select button. I'm going to tap it over there, and very shortly you will see like select items is there. So I didn't select anything, that's why it is showing like that. If I want to delete like only one folder or file or video, something like that, we have to check like this way. Otherwise we can tap it over there, it will be unchecked. Then we can choose this three dot basically. Now my goal is to select all of them and remove all of them all together. So I'm going to tap it over there, and very shortly it will bring us two options, delete all or recover all. I want to delete everything, so I'm going to choose this option, delete all. And once we tap it over there, it will give us the last warning Like this will permanently delete the selected items. This action cannot be undone. Okay, so what it is meaning? Basically it means if you delete anything from here now, then you cannot recover anytime. That is the clear message. So I don't need these 3 items, so I'm going to remove those things permanently. So I'm going to choose this option, delete from this iPad, and everything will be deleted. And that's it. Once it's deleted, then you will see everything is clean. And that's it. In this way we can easily delete any video or audio or image from our iPad permanently.